Dive into ABC.
A for Angelfish. B is for beach, where we love to play. Look at all the beautiful shells we found today. C for crab.
D for dolphin. E for ocean.
F for fish.
G for great shark. H for seahorse. I for ice. J for jellyfish. L for lobster.
N for net. O is for octopus. P for penguin.
Wow, look how quick he is.
Q for quick.
R for reef.
T for turtle.
Turtle.
9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
You found me.
V for wave.
W for whale.
X for X mark.
Y for yacht.
Z for zoom.
Yay! Ocean ABC.